Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I am Caitlin, and today we are going to make a delicious crock pot slow cooker spinach dip. It's awesome, it's football season, it's the fall, but we are making a delicious crock pot spinach dip today, and you're going to love it. It's perfect for game day, it's perfect for the Super Bowl or any party. It's delicious, and honestly, it's so easy. You're going to be like, wow. So we're starting this recipe by cubing up 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. You can skip this step probably if you want to, but it's better to kind of get it cubed up so that we can mix our other ingredients around it. After that, believe it or not, you just need a few more ingredients. So I have here 1 package of frozen spinach that I just defrosted that I'm going to dump right in. And then I have a cup of mozzarella cheese. Some nice shredded mozz right in there. Crockpot recipes really couldn't be easier because you just dump everything in and then let it cook. So we're going to add our half of a cup of Parmesan cheese and then just a few more ingredients. Here we have about 2 to 3, 2 to 4, because I'm me, cloves of garlic that are roughly chopped and minced up. We're adding that. And last but not least, before we hit it with some salt and pepper, we're adding some artichoke hearts. I have 1 jar here because this is going to be an epic spinach and artichoke dip. And I can't wait. You're going to want to make sure that your artichokes are nice and drained. You don't have to rinse them or anything, but just drain them before you put them in. And you're going to give your pot a nice stir. After you start up your ingredients, you're just going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. So I'm going to do a little bit of that. And then I have just a sea salt here. Any salt will do. Not too much, but I think a little bit more pepper. Perfect. And then give it 1 more nice stir. Now, here's where it gets easy. You're going to have delicious spinach and artichoke dip in just about 2 hours. We're kicking this crock pot down to low. We're covering it. We're letting it sit. And then we're going to dig in. So, as I mentioned, we are letting that cook for about 2 hours on low heat in our crock pot. Now, you're going to want to stir at least once an hour, but once or twice an hour is good. Just give it a nice stir. The artichokes are going to break up, mix with the spinach. It's going to be delicious. You guys are going to love it. And when you're all done and if those 2 hours have passed, you have a delicious spinach and artichoke dip. I prefer to serve mine with some pita chips, but serve it with whatever the heck you want. It's so yummy. It has so much flavor, and you saw how easy that was. So easy and so freaking tasty. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this on every Tuesday. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking. If you have any requests, feel free to throw that below this video. I'd love to hear from you guys. Love to hear what teams you're rooting for during football season. We could do whatever we want down there in the comments. If we're nice to each other, please. But do whatever you want down there, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.